bottle. Oh, that's a fearsome noise. Is that your water bottle, Hazel? You prefer the water bottles over the ice cream cone, huh? Thank you. How about some ice cream cone? And you want to try it? You don't have to have it. I just thought you might want it. No? Do you want to eat this part? You kind of like the bottom of it, it seems like. Well done. You like the water bottle? There you go. Please. Oh my. Oh my goodness. Oh, thank you. No? What you bottle? Cheese. All done. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.